All right, let's go. Take your time over the hurdles. Drop the weights, touch the cone, log, carry the log. Nope. Drop the weight, touch. Yep. Good job. Last time, bring the weights down. Touch the weights, come on. Pick up the log over the hurdles. Take your time. Pick up your speed. Put down the log, touch. Good job.